Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the jungle, where wild animals roam and amazing sounds fill the air. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to meet some friendly animals, learn their names, their plural forms, and discover the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go. Look over there. It's a mighty lion. Did you know when there's more than one lion, we call them lions? Lions love to roar. Can you roar like a lion? 1, 2, 3, roar. Now, here come the big, friendly elephants. When there's more than one elephant, we say elephants. Elephants love to trumpet with their trunks. Let's trumpet like an elephant. 1, 2, 3, trumpet. Wow! That's the elephant's trumpet sound. Can you try it? Pya! Now, let's swing over to the playful monkey. When there are lots of them, we call them monkeys. And can you guess their sound? Hee hee. That's the sound of a monkey having fun. Oh oh ah. Here comes the fierce tiger. A group of these big cats is called tigers. And their sound? Let's take a listen. Ja! Oh my God, the tiger's growl is so powerful, just like the lion. Now meet the strong and mighty bear. When you see more than one, they're called bears. And do you know what sound a bear makes? Listen. That's the bear's growl. Can you growl like a bear? Come on. Try. Now, look at these striped beauties, the zebra. When there's a group of them, we call them zebras. And their sound? It's very unique. Yeah, that's right. Zebras make a barking sound, kind of like a dog. Did you know about this earlier? Here comes the hippopotamus. When there are many, we say hippopotamuses or hippos. And what sound do they make? Listen closely. Yes, I agree, that's a deep grunt from the hippo. Did you know that they are one of the loudest animals in the water? Now, let's meet the tall and graceful giraffe. When you see more than one, they're called giraffes. And while giraffes are usually quiet, they do make some sounds. That's a soft hum from a giraffe. Isn't that interesting? How? Here comes the wolf. When there's a group, we call them wolves. And what sound do they make? Let's hear. Was that scary? The wolf's howl is so haunting, especially under the moon. Wow! That was an incredible adventure through the wild. We met so many amazing animals, learned their plurals, and even tried out their sounds. Did you have fun? I know I did. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more fun and exciting videos, don't forget to share this one with your friends. They'll love it too. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button, and tap the little bell icon so you never miss out on our awesome videos. We've got lots of cool videos coming your way, and hope you don't want to miss any of them. Thanks for exploring with me today, little adventurers. See you next time. Bye.